In this video, I'm going to show you how to export to Google Sheets information and data from your ad managers in an automated way. So once inside your Mastermetrics account, what you have to do is you have to connect the different data sources, right? And once you connected the data sources, you can go to the dashboard, and basically you are going to have to, inside a dashboard, add, what we call power tables. So let me show you. So first of all, let's create a couple of ones. So let's say you have to choose the source, then you have to choose the ad account. Now you can choose, any number of metrics you want. Let's say we want to see, clicks and impressions, and maybe as well CTR. Now you can choose how you want to split, the table we're going to send later on to Google Sheets, by columns and by rows. Let's say, for example, if you're wanting to track reporting daily, so maybe in the columns you want to see it by day, and in the rows maybe you want to see it by campaign, or you could choose, ad account, ad set, week, month, gender, age, device, and whatever you may need. So in this example, let's stay with, for example, campaigns. And inside campaigns, you can split inside each row and as well inside each column if you want to. Let's say inside each row we want to choose ad set, right? So we're going to be looking by day, by campaign, and by ad set, these three metrics here for this specific account. Obviously you have to choose the date. Let's say, since we're looking by day, we want to see data for this month. And you can as well, filter the table you're about to build. So for example, you can filter by breakdowns. So maybe you want to see this only for, a specific country, or maybe you want to see it for a specific device, or a specific impression device, or for a specific campaign. Or whatever, right? You have a lot of examples here. Another thing you can do is you can filter by metrics. So if you want to see this, but only for, campaigns that have spent at least $100, you can add it here, and you can, add multiple conditions. So maybe I want to see this data here, but only for, spent more than 100, and as well, for example, specific campaigns, or whatever, right? So it's really flexible. Once you created the table, let's add it here. Here you have it. Now I'm going to show you how to get this to Google Sheets, but before, bear in mind, you can add, any number of power tables you want. Once you have this built inside Mastermetrics, you have to go to Google Sheets, and you have to add the extension. So we're going to add it here. You have to look in the marketplace for Mastermetrics. You have to install it. You have to obviously give it permission from your Google account. Great. Now that we have Mastermetrics installed, we can use it here. We're going to launch in sidebar the application. Great. You have to, the first thing you have to do is basically log in with your Mastermetrics credentials. Great. Once you have logged in, basically you have to choose the source. And now you can choose, the table. We're going to choose the one we just built here. And you can click where you want the data to be, downloaded. Let's say here, and click Get Data to Sheet. And there you have it. So as you can see here, we have it day by day for this month, right? We have first clicks, then we have impressions, and then CTR. And in the rows, we have it, by campaign, and inside each campaign, we have it by ad set, okay? So this is how it works. One thing I want to show you is that you can use, what we call the scheduling feature, meaning that you don't have to manually update the table every day. So for example, here you have it. This one is the meta table. If you want you can, you know, choose the schedule. So for example, I want every day at 10 a.m. This table to be updated. So you can save it, and you know, you can choose as well weekly and monthly schedules. And once you save it, you're gonna have here a list of all the tables you were working with. You can obviously turn off the schedule by clicking here, or if you want, I want this table right now here, basically you can choose, you know, the update button, and it's gonna track the table for you. If you want to add additional tables, you can do it from here. So this is how it works. You know, you can save a lot of time by, you know, using this instead of exporting manually to Google Sheets from each ad platform.